Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're jumping right into the absolute bedrock of the English language, the verb to be. We're going to break down am, is, and are so you can start using them and feel super confident about it. So, to get us started, let's meet someone. This is a super simple sentence, right? But look closely. My name is Lisa. That little word is exactly what we're here to talk about.
And wow, look how much we can learn about Lisa just by using this one verb. We find out where she's from, what she does, her favorite color, what she's into, and even what she's not into. This one little verb is the key to describing pretty much everything.
Okay, so we've seen it in action. Now it's time to pull back the curtain and really understand what the verb to be actually is and why it's so darn powerful. To put it simply, to be is all about describing things. A state like I am tired, or a quality like the sky is blue. But here's the crucial part. It's a bit of a chameleon. It actually changes its form depending on who or what you're talking about. All right, time to get our hands dirty and look at the tools. We're going to go through the basic rules for building positive and negative sentences. This is where you really start to get the feel for speaking the language.
And you know what? The pattern is actually super simple. If you're talking about yourself, you always use am, always. For a single person or thing, he, she, or it, you're going to use is. And for you, or for groups like we or they, you use are. That's it.
And here's how this all plays out in real life. We use am for a feeling, is to describe a person or state a simple fact, and are to point out where something is. You can see how it just pops up in all sorts of different situations. So how do we switch gears from positive to negative? Believe it or not, it is incredibly easy. You just add one tiny word right after the verb, the word not. So it is sunny can be followed by it is not warm. They are English becomes they are not English. Simple, right? And this builds into another really clear pattern. Just like that positive table we saw, you just slot the word not right in there after the verb. I am not, it is not, they are not. It really is that straightforward. Okay, so you've got the rules down. Now let's talk about a little secret to sounding less like a textbook and way more like a native speaker. The key is using shortcuts, or what we call contractions. This chart right here is your new best friend. For the positive sentences, I am gets squished into I'm, and he is becomes he's. Now pay close attention to the negative side. For a lot of these, you actually get two options. He is not can become he's not or he isn't. Both are totally correct, and you'll hear them both all the time. And speaking of shortcuts, here are 3 you are gonna hear constantly. They're absolutely essential. That is becomes that's. There is becomes theirs. And here is becomes here's. Like when you're handing someone their key. So, we've covered the rules and the shortcuts, but where does this all fit in? Let's look at the common everyday situations where to be is something you just can't live without. I mean, really think about it. You use it for introductions, to talk about feelings, to describe anything and everything from fruit to people, to say where things are, and to state basic facts about the world. You literally can't have a normal conversation without it. This verb is perfect for stating big, important facts. Take this number, for instance. To explain it, we'd say, the Earth's surface is 71% water. Or to get to the core idea, water is essential. We use is to state these fundamental truths. And this is a really fun example of the negative form. Sometimes describing what something isn't is just as important as describing what it is.
This sentence tells us penguins are not able to fly. It helps us state a clear fact by using that negative form of to be. Okay, you've taken in a whole lot of information. So now it's time to flex those grammar muscles and see what you've learned. Let's do a quick practice round. You ready? First one up, the weather, blank, nice today. What do you think goes in there? Should it be am, is, or are? I'll give you a second to think. And the answer is. The weather is nice today. Why? Well, because the weather is a single thing, kind of like saying it. And as we know, for it, we use is. Great job! All right, next challenge for you. How would you make this sentence negative? My friends are excited about the trip. You got it. My friends aren't excited about the trip. Or if you wanted to use the full form, my friends are not excited. Both are absolutely perfect. And the last one. Let's just practice those shortcuts one more time. How would you shorten the sentence, he is a doctor? Exactly. He's a doctor. It's quicker, it sounds more natural, and it's what you're going to hear in everyday English. Fantastic work. You see, when it comes right down to it, this verb is all about describing you and your world. We've gone through the rules, we've seen the examples, and now it's all you. How would you complete this sentence right now? Today, I am happy, tired, excited. Go ahead and give it a try.